Hello, I'm Stavros and welcome to our channel Time Short. You are in the 12 unboxing and reviewing series, and all the items and links can be found in the description below. So please do check them out, and as well this video as well. Next to see this electrical vacuum from Finlux. We got it at the fair price of 42 euros. It's 700 watts and it has 4.2 meter cable. The bag itself, it's 3-liter bag, and it's a category D for carpet and category C for floor. It's a category A for the filter. So I'm guessing it's a fair deal. Now let's go inside and have a look. Alright, it seems that it has some tape from the factory. Let's get it off. Different tubings, and some buttons here for extension, and this is the bottom part, floor, some nice grip right here, some welds, this adjustable. This one is well by corner, not too bad. And we have here an instruction manual. What else? There's this paper right here. And that's something that this is an extra tubing that's connecting most likely straight to the electrical vacuum, and this one is the tubing continuously, and from here you can connect it either to this device or the metal tubing for extension. For here is you can select how much pressure you're gonna have. Here box wise is not the best. As you can see here, it's bended. Yeah, that's something that we might have an issue with. Let's see when it's going to be operated. And last but not least, inside, there's another paper inside the box. Let's see what's inside. Come on you. There we go. Some service information, I'm guessing. So like phone call centers, so you can call in case something is wrong with your device. And here is actual electrical vacuum right here. There's a small attachment right here. Let's put this inside the box, and this one right here is a smaller attachment. You can see that I can actually flip like this. Okay, so you can operate it like this, and you can drain some things like that, or you can turn it around somehow, and you can put the brass, because there are some brushes here, or like this. So it stops here, and by the pressure it stays there when you're actually using the vacuum, and you can actually take some things off, for example your carpet or some corner of your sofa or something like that. It's pretty neat. And here we are having our electrical device. We're having this right here. I'm guessing it's where it's going to be connected with. Let's put the box down. Taking too much space. nice. And here we're having the record button where you can press it, and this is start and stop, and this is air filter. I can see it right here, air filter, quite nice, easy to clean, very nice and smart. Let's put this one back. This is a clip that you can connect it. Yeah, and you can start using your vacuum. Thank you all for watching this video. Please do leave a comment. We want to hear your opinion. Share this video if you like it. Subscribe with us for more videos that are coming up. Support us on Patreon. Thank you. Have a nice day.